Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to insert a table to your email on the Microsoft Outlook desktop application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application, Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Microsoft Outlook application. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Once that is loaded, now let's go to the top left corner of the screen where we have new email. Click on this to compile a brand new email. And now let's go to the email body. Let's just say hello. This is a test email. Please see this table. And then let's go to the top toolbar where we have all these additional options. Let's skip to table. And now let's choose a 4x4 table that will now be inserted into the email. Let's just say technology, quantity, and then the price, mobile phone, a laptop, and then a tablet. So the mobile phone, we have one laptop as well as one tablet. The price is in pounds. The mobile phone costs about £2,000. Laptop, 3,000. Tablet, 1,000. And then we would add all this up as part of a total. Let's now manually add all this up. That will all come to £6,000. Usually we don't do this, it would be all populated on the bottom. But for the purpose of this tutorial, let's just say £6,000 worth of technology. And now let's insert the signature, admin update. Kind regards, and then the admin and the signature. So let's now go to recipient. We will always be sending to the Computer Science Videos at Business Gmail account. Double click on this to expand. There we go, Computer Science Videos business@gmail.com. Let's choose a subject, table. Now let's click on send to send that message, and as you can see by that notification, the email itself has now been sent. Now let's minimize Outlook for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the additional web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Now let's navigate to the top right corner where we have Gmail. Click on this. And there we go. Click on that email that we have received now. So table, this is a test email, this is a table, technology, the quantity, the price, and the total price. And then we have kind regards, the admin signature. So we can now quit Google Chrome. We can now go all the way down to the dock, go back to Microsoft Outlook. We can quit Outlook. And so that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.